Chemistry, and for today's session, we are going to answer some questions na madalas namin na na-encounter during consultation, webinars, and in-person events. So may bayad nga ba yung consultation with us? So the answer is wala po. So libre po ang consultation with ACN. And hindi po kami nanghihingi ng bayad. So if may makausap kayo na claiming that they are ACN staff, please report to us immediately dahil wala pong bayad ang ating consultation.
So please take note po na sa ACN is not a recruitment agency and we don't provide work and we don't have any direct employer. ACN only help you to process your student visa and your whole application as an international student in Canada.
Ayan, so please take note that we are not a recruitment agency. Yes, your bachelor's degree from the Philippines can be considered since may mga partner schools tayo sa Canada na nag-offer ng mga graduate programs. Ngayon, kung hindi ka naman college graduate, walang problema kasi may mga partner institution tayo sa Canada na nag-a-accept ng senior high school graduate or at least second year undergraduate, or kapag naman may mga partner institutions din tayo na nag-a-accept ng high school graduate from old curriculum. Kaya importante din na may makausap ka na ACN staff para mas maipaliwanag nila na maigi sa'yo yung part na to. So in Canada, wala po tayong age limit. So wala silang discrimination pagdating sa mga edad na nag-a-apply sa kanila. But also, we need to consider kung paano natin ma-justify ito sa inyong study purpose. So kailangan natin ma-convince si immigration officer that your intention to study in Canada is genuine. So may mga support naman na maipoprovide si ACN pagdating sa pagsusulat ng study plan.
Partner institutions tayo that offer on and off campus accommodation. They also have homestays and shared housing sa mga kapwa nating Pilipino, but hindi lahat. Kaya it is important to coordinate sa mga ACN staff para makonect tayo sa mga schools or institutions na nag-offer ng ganitong arrangement.
So itong question na to yung madalas natin na na-encounter during webinars and also during in-person events. So kasi important din na kailangan maplano nila yung timeline ng magiging application nila. So the whole application usually takes about 4 to 6 months. But of course, nakadepende pa rin kung gaano ba kayo kabilis makakapag-comply ng mga documents na kakailanganin natin during the enrollment and also during the visa application.
Yes, pwede nyo po dalhin yung partner ninyo and your kids if meron po, as long as you're studying master's and doctorate programs in Canada and your partner is eligible for open work permit.
So ayan, I hope this video clarifies hindi man lahat but some of your clarification about your student visa application to Canada.
Yeah, so like and follow our social media accounts to stay updated and catch more videos of us answering facts about student visa in Canada.
Stay tuned!